Nature feature, Van Bragt Park. This site was renamed after John Van Bragt, Holland's first park superintendent on April 6, 1966. During Van Bragt's service, he developed the facility out of swampland. He designed the trails at this site. He also planted the trees, shrubbery, and thousands of tulips along the trails at this facility. John Harmsen built the windmill at this park. It was a miniature version of windmills in the Netherlands. Features include fishing, parking, pedestrian walkways, and water.